Hello everyone. So today I'm going to practice some SQL queries and yes, I'm just doing this and let's begin. Let me fix my mic. Yeah. So first question is how can you retrieve all the information from the cd.facilities table? Yeah, sorry. Let's do this. So how can you retrieve all the information? So yeah, for retrieving all the information, what we use asterisk. Okay, asterisk is what? This sign, this symbol. Okay, see. So let's select all. I'm sure you already know this. At least this is a simple, very basic um, syntax. So select all from, and then we select the table. Okay, cd dot facilities. So see, cd dot facilities, cd dot facilities. Run query. See, right. This is correct. And we can see answer in discussion here. Yeah. Let's jump to next question. And the question is, so retrieve specific columns from a table. Okay. This is a quick intro. Retrieve specific columns from a table. So I think in this question there are some constant like retrieve this column. Okay, so let's see. You want to print out a list of all the facilities and their cost to members. How would you retrieve a list of only facilities, names, and costs? So you want to retrieve so you want to print out a list of all the facilities and their cost to members. So yeah, let's see. C dot facilities have name and member cost. So this is what question is asking. Select name, comma, member cost from cd dot facilities. Yeah, correct. Very easy. Next exercise, control which rows are retrieved. So how can you produce a list of facilities that charge a fee to members? Okay, simple. Select all from cd dot facilities. Okay, so I think the question has some twist. Can you guess? Let me explain you if you can't. Okay, that charged a fee to members. This is the line. This is the you know very important part. So you have to guess it. Member cost is numeric. So it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 100. So that charge a fee to members, I mean it cannot be 0. This is what it's asking. Same. So this is where clause we use to apply conditions. So where member cost cannot be equal to 0. So this is the not sign. I mean this exclamation. Yeah. Run query. See, correct. Yeah. In explanation, this is also saying that member cost should be greater than 0. So this is equivalent. Yeah. Next exercise. How can you produce a list of facilities that charge a fee to members and that fee is less than 1/5 of the monthly maintenance cost? Return the face ID, facility name, member cost, and monthly maintenance of the facilities in question. See, just break the problem into simple section. Okay, so return the face ID, facility name, monthly maintenance. First, write this first. Oh, sorry. Select face ID, name, member cost, monthly maintenance. Hmm. Monthly maintenance from CD dot facilities. Okay. The charge of E2 members. See, the charge of E2 members. This is the line. So yeah, as we have done in last question, where member cost should not be equal to zero. Okay. And what? See, this is the main part, and that P is less than this. Okay. So let's apply, and to apply additional condition, we use and. Okay. And what monthly maintenance? Okay, so oh yeah, member cost should be what should be less than. So less than. So one thing I want to mention that always use decimals. I will explain you, but for now, just keep in mind that always use decimals when you're writing queries. Do not trying to write 150. Do not write this. So 150. So when we change into decimal, then 0.02 into 0.02 into what monthly maintenance. I hope my spelling is correct. Mm, let's run it. Like correct. So yes, well you can use this, but I would highly recommend that use this like this. What I did. I mean, it would be less confusing, and you will get everything smoothly. Okay. So let's check it out. The where class allows us to filter for the rows that we're interested in. So this is what we have done. So yeah, I think I'm making sure. So if you can also see this. So why I was saying that do not use like this, because if you write, suppose you write this, and this will what, integer by integer is equal to integer. Result becomes 0. 1 by 50 is equal to 0. So member cost would be less than 0. Okay, so no rows return. So this is the safe options you can use. First option I already mentioned. This option you can also use. Okay, and third one. Yeah. Okay, I think it's good. Let's move to next exercise. Basic string searches. So yeah, we are coming to talk about patterns. We have reached there. How can you produce a list of all facilities with the word tennis in their name? So tennis in their name. See, this is how we talk about patterns. We use percentage. So percentage if apply at the beginning and the end, then what means contains the word tennis anywhere. Okay, example, it's matches table tennis, tennis ball, indoor tennis match. See, tennis is at the end, tennis at the beginning, tennis is also in between. Okay, so if you want to just ask that only retrieve all the information where uh, starts with tennis, where name starts with tennis, so always use this one, percentage tennis. I mean, this is all about percentage. If percentage is at the both side, then contains the word tennis anywhere. If percentage is at beginning, then start with tennis, and it should not match, it will not match table tennis obviously, because tennis is at the end. I think it's clear. So let's solve this. Now you must have assumed that what is the right answer. Select all from cd dot facilities with the word, yeah. So yeah, here I want to explain you that what is the syntax is about. It's about reduce a list of facilities with the word tennis in their name. So uh, sorry, I'm a little bit confused. Where, oh yeah, this name. So we use like. Sorry. Okay. Run query. C. Correct. I would also like to mention that you can use I like. This is for, okay, I will explain you later. Forget this. Matching against multiple possible values. How can you retrieve the details of facilities with ID 1 and 5? Try to do without using the OR operator. So I will explain you both. Select all from cd dot facilities where face ID 1 or face ID. So this is simple and straightforward. We use OR. Okay, correct. If I remove this and I apply this condition, so we can use in. Okay, where face ID in, then we can apply as much as 1 and 5. See, this is also correct. 1 or 5. Sorry, 1 or 5. Okay. Next exercise. How can you produce a list of facilities with each labeled as cheap or expensive depending on if their monthly maintenance cost is more than $100? Return the name and monthly maintenance of facilities in question. So let's do this. Because this is a complicated question, I mean not complicated but lengthy. It's easy. Okay. So let's select uh yeah, name, comma. Now we will use case when. Okay, so if you are not familiar, then just notice what I'm going doing. Case when, okay, monthly maintenance, okay, is greater than 1000, oh sorry, 100, then expensive, else cheap, and as because if you notice, then here this is labeled as column name cost. Okay. From, obviously from, I got it, cd dot facilities. Okay, correct. Okay, if you do not understand, then here is written as crystal and clear. So yes, you can see this exercise contains a few new concepts. The first is the fact that we are doing computation, okay, in the area of query between select and from. So okay, the second new concept is the case statement itself. So this is a syntax. I mean, we case, then when, then we apply the condition, then again, then. So then is a syntax, and then what we want to label as then expensive, and the condition which is opposite for else, then again labeled it, and as the column name you want to mention from cd dot facilities, obviously as usual. Okay, I think it's Good. Working with dates. So yeah, that's very interesting thing about SQL when we are working with dates. So how can you produce a list of members who joined the start of September 2012? Return the meme. Sorry, meme. No, it's a what? It's a mem ID. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Surname, first name, join date of the members in question. So select. First of all, just write what is asking, what column it's asking. So select me, my mem ID, surname. I do not know how to pronounce, so just note that. First name, then join date from cd dot members. Okay, now who joined after the start of September 2012? Okay, so after the start, so after the 1 2 after the first of the September. Okay, so 1 2 so on, where join date is greater than or equal to 2012 0901. I think it's yeah. Okay, correct. Same. I think it's easy. Nothing to explain. Removing duplicates and ordering. This is very, very, very famous. I think, yeah. So, how can I produce an ordered list of first 10 surnames in the members table? The, the list must not contain duplicates. Oh, select, yeah, ordered list of first 10 surnames in the members table. First of all, what we are saying that removing duplicates. So this is something, the list must not contain duplicates. So for that, what we do, select distinct. Okay, distinct what? Distinct surname. So surname from cd dot members. Okay, that's it. Now we have to apply conditions that order list of, so order by, this is the syntax, order by first and surname. So surname, we can write this if we want, from opposite, but I will not, because I do not want. And first and surnames in the members table. So yeah, limit 10. Yeah, correct. You can check out. Next exercise, combining results from multiple queries. You, for some reason, want a combined list of all surnames and facility names. Yes, it's a correct example. Produce that list. Okay. So the question is asking that want a combined list of all surnames and facility names. Okay. Surnames and facility names. So I think the thing which we are going to use is union. So I think this is new concept. If you do not know, then union is for combining the results. Okay, so union do not keep what duplicates. So if you want to go understand, if you want to understand, then yeah, if you can, we are just see. Oh, sorry, what the hell? Why is it taking so long? Oh my god. So let's solve question first. I think it's taking time. I do not know why. Select surname from cd dot members obviously, and then we will do what? Union select what? Name from cd dot facilities. Okay. Outs. Oh yeah, spelling is wrong. cd dot facilities. See, correct. Okay, I think you have understand that union operator does what you might expect. Combines the result of two SQL queries into single table. Okay, that's it. Next exercise, simple aggregation. Simple, you would like to get the sign up date of your last member. How can you retrieve this information? You would like to get the sign up date of your last member. So last member. So I think yeah, it's about order by decreasing order, and then limit one, those things. So let's do that. Select what? Select date. Oh, sorry, join date from cd dot members. Okay, order by sorry, yeah, order by limit one. I think it's right. Oh, it's right. Oh, you can also do this. Select max join date as latest. Okay, you can also do this. Right, and this. Both are correct. As latest. See. Let's jump to next exercise. More aggregation. You would like to get the first name and last name. So yeah, there's nothing special about this question. Just adding, I would like to just copy this. Why to do so much work? Select name, first name. Correct. So yeah, that's it. I think I have solved all the questions. Yeah, see, that's it. And in next live video, I will discuss join and subquery.